How to play Hamster Kombat application in your laptop or PC. In this video, I will show you how can you easily play Hamster Kombat application in your laptop or PC device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, head towards any one of the web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here, and in the URL box you need to type download Hamster Kombat. After that, in the results, you will see the official website of Hamster Kombat at the top. Simply click on it and then you will be directed to its homepage. Now, to start playing this application in your laptop or PC, click on Play Now. After that, you will see a small icon where it says to open your Telegram desktop. Simply choose that option and shortly you will be able to open the Telegram of Hamster Kombat. Once you open its channel in Telegram, you will be able to send messages here. So click on Play in one click, and once you click on it, you will see a QR code which you need to scan using your mobile device because Hamster Kombat cannot be played in your laptop or PC. So by scanning the QR code, you will be able to play it in your mobile device. So that's it. That is how easily you can play Hamster Kombat application in your laptop. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.